Hello my dear brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am, and this is Yashoda. Hope you are doing great. And friends, this is a special video for each and every housewife who is working on their English language journey just like me, and consider me as a co-learner, and I'm also here as a learner. I don't consider myself that I'm a very big YouTuber. For me, my personality as a YouTuber is a different thing, but for me, my first personality is as a learner. I always consider myself as a learner. So friends, as you have already know about that thing, that some days ago I have given some interviews, and my article has been published on some articles on some newspaper, as well as on some news channels. They had telecasted my about my channel and about my YouTube journey. Okay, so now there are so many YouTubers, okay, just like housewife, okay, from not only from my state but all over this country. They have been trying to congratulate me, and yeah, it's very good, because at least, because I don't consider this achievement is just because of my hard work, because I know that whatever I am, just because of each and every housewife, if I have gained this much, then just because of they have watched my videos, they have subscribed to my channel, and what is always there with me. If they hadn't helped me, if they hadn't subscribed to my channel, how would have become famous this much? No, there was not any kind of chance. So I also want to give this credit to them. A problem, because I can say it's a kind of a mentality, especially in the village people they are having, even just because after they got to know about that thing. So now what they are doing, instead of congratulating me, instead of appreciating my efforts, now they are trying to manipulate me and to my husband as well. अब उनका काम ये है कि कैसे मेरे हस्बैंड को भड़काया जाए. How they went out my husband, how they try to manipulate my husband, so that my husband, he will stop me from my work, he will stop me to do that work on YouTube, and then it will make them happy, it will give them happiness. So I don't know, yeah, because so many ladies, they have been also asked this question to me, that ma'am, what is the reaction of your village people when they know about your achievements, about your work, so how they are treating to you. So this is the way they are treating me. They haven't any kind of a sense about what kind of efforts I am putting in order to achieve these kind of things, to learn a language, as well as they have no regards towards my hard work, towards my dignity. Always they want to show myself that I'm good for nothing. Because in village, okay, this is the real thing, this is genuine thing which a villager knows. Here, if a woman, she works from morning to till evening, then they would know, yeah, really she is very hard working lady. अगर वो खेतों में दिन भर काम करती है तो उसको माना जाता है कि उसने सच में मेहनत की. बट अगर हम जैसी लेडीज़ अगर कुछ करना चाहती हैं, तो दिस सोसाइटी नेवर अलाउज अस टू वर्क. ये सोसाइटी हमें आगे बढ़ने नहीं देना चाहती. सो इट्स माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ईच एंड एवरी लेडी, no matter you are watching this video from a city or from a village, now it's your time, now it's also your time to prove this, that you are not less than anyone. You can do anything, you can make your decision, you can work on your decision, as well as you can achieve whatever dreams you are having, you can achieve, and you will show this world that you are not less than anyone. You don't underestimate the power of a woman. Don't take a woman for granted. हल्के में मत लेना. हाउस वाइफ है, होम मेकर है, अगर कुछ कर सकती है तो सोच लो कि वो कितना कुछ कर सकती है। अगर if a woman don't show that she is having this much knowledge, she is a knowledgeable lady, it doesn't mean she is illiterate. अनपढ़ नहीं है भाई, उसके अंदर बहुत पोटेंशियल है। जस्ट लेट हर डू, एटलीस्ट डोंट स्टॉप हम। इफ यू डोंट want to help her, okay, then it's okay, but at least you don't stop her from taking any kind of action. हम सबने सपने देखे हैं। जब हम स्कूल में थे हम सभी डॉक्टर बनना चाहते थे, हम सभी इंजीनियर बनना चाहते थे, हम सभी क्रिकेटर बनना चाहते थे, हम बहुत कुछ बनना चाहते थे, बट आफ्टर गेटिंग मैरिड वी हैव स्टॉप्ड आवर एजुकेशन, इट हैड बीन स्टॉप्ड, as well as we have also stopped working on our dream, we have also stopped dreaming. हमने सपने देखना छोड़ दिया। तो नाउ अब टाइम है उन सपनों को देखो, और सिर्फ सपने देखने से काम नहीं चलेगा। अगर आपको प्रूव करना है तो आपको उन सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। योर ड्रीम wants hard work. God has decided something different to you. Your destiny is different. Each and every person's destiny is different. But we need to figure it out. What is our passion? And just work on your passion. And don't think about what kind of problems or obstacles you are going to have in your journey. You can tackle out your each and every problem. Because I know that you have that potential, you have that strength. हम सभी के पास वो जज्बा होता है. We just need to understand. Okay, we just need to recognize that capabilities that we are having. We are competent to do anything. We just need to figure it out and work on our journey. Whatever goals we have set for ourselves, now it's time to work. Now there is no time to sit. So, अब ये समय है, आप सभी महिलाओं के हाथ में है कि आप इस समाज को क्या दिखाना चाहते हो। आप ये दिखाना चाहते हो कि आप कमज़ोर हो, या फिर आप ये दिखाना चाहते हो कि आपके अंदर कितनी पावर है। अगर एक हाउसवाइफ एक राष्ट्रपति बन सकती है, ठीक है, अगर एक हाउसवाइफ एक अच्छी खासी एथलीट बन सकती है, तो क्या आप गृहिणियाँ आप कुछ नहीं कर सकती? आप भी बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू समथिंग प्रोडक्टिव फॉर यू। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ग्रूम योर पर्सनैलिटी, नॉट टू स्लीप। सोने का समय ख़त्म हो गया। जहाँ हो, ओके, अभी से आज से डिसाइड करो कि आपका सपना क्या है, आपके ड्रीम्स क्या हैं, और उन सपनों को जीना सीखो। उन सपनों को जियोगे तो आगे लाइफ में बहुत आगे बढ़ोगे। आप अपने बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा दे पाओगे। स्पेशली लेडीज़, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू। हम सभी को अपनी कंट्री के लिए, अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत कुछ करना है। तो नाउ लेडीज़, go and work on your dreams, and friends, don't underestimate the power of a woman. That's it. We will meet again next video. Till then, bye bye.